make sure I'm straight. Around my neck, he love gay. Cheap, make it sure I'm straight. Cheap, make it sure I'm straight. Got the pots in love gay. Got them pots in love gay.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make chicken parmesan cookies way. I know there's a lot of different ways to make it, but I'm going to show you cookies way today. So the first thing I want to show you is I have some chicken breasts, and so I've already cut them in half. So as you can see, they're already cut in half, each one of them. But I'm also gonna take this meat tenderizer and I'm gonna tenderize them to make them a little bit more tender, and then I'll come back and show you what's next. Okay, stay tuned. Okay. Okay, so guys, I pounded my chicken out to make it more thinner and tender. Even though I cut them in half, they were very thick. If you get like the thin sliced ones, then you probably won't have to cut them in half. So that gave me 8 chicken breasts that I pounded out and made them tender. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to a Ziploc bag, along with a ½ cup of sugar. And I'm going to let the chicken breast marinate in the fridge for an hour, at least an hour. Okay, so you put your sugar and your water in your bag. Now I'm going to put the chicken breast in here. I'm going to stick them in the fridge for an hour, so they can just be juicy and tender and sweet. Again, this is Cookies Way. I hope you guys try this out and let me know how it comes out. My family loves it. My son requested it for dinner tonight, so I felt like this would be a good opportunity for me to show you guys how I do it. Just get it real mixed up, try to get that sugar dissolved. Okay. It's gonna make the chicken so juicy and sweet. Not too sweet, but there you have it. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for an hour, and then I'll come back and show you guys what's next. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so while the chicken is in the fridge marinating for that hour, I go ahead and start prepping my sauce so that it can start simmering and coming together, and it'll be ready when the chicken gets fried up and ready to go. So don't judge me, but I definitely use jar pasta sauce. Okay, I am a gardener. I have tried growing tomatoes. I haven't mastered that skill yet, and when I do, I'll let you guys know. But until then, we like to do things a little easy around here, so I use 2 jar sauces. I always use 1 marinara to give it that sweetness, and then I add another variety that I like. Today I'm using tomato basil. I ain't gonna show you guys the brand, but just get your favorite pasta sauce or whatever, it doesn't matter. Definitely use marinara, and then you can add a second flavor of your choice, mix them together. And I add a few extra ingredients just to spice it up, give it just a little bit more flavor. So there's 1. There's 2. Put my stove on low. I like to add a pat of butter, which is about like a tablespoon, some minced garlic, I definitely add just a little bit more sugar. Again, don't judge me. To taste. I may add more. You come back and add more. black pepper, salt, whatever herbs you like. Basil is a must for chicken parmesan for me. And we're gonna let that simmer. We're gonna taste it and see how we like it in a few. And what I also did was I went ahead and started another one of the ingredients you like, well, two of the ingredients, which is an egg wash. And so for this, I used 2 eggs and a half a cup of milk. I've whisked it all together. I put some flour on the plate, and we're also going to use breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys when the chicken's done marinating how I bread it and put it all together. Then we're gonna get to frying. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I tasted my pasta sauce. I did add a little bit more sugar. I started my water to boil for the pasta because we know we gotta wait for our water to boil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start breading our chicken. I took it out of the water, laid them in this dish. I seasoned them with garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. I got my flour ready. I got my egg wash ready, and my breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add some grated Parmesan to the breadcrumbs. Just give them a mix. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your seasoned chicken cutlets. You want to coat them in the flour. Make sure they're nice and coated in the flour. Dust them off. From there, make sure they're all coated. And from there, you go into the egg wash. And from there, you go into the breadcrumbs. My hands are clean. Just make sure you get them nice and coated. I like to pat mine in. And after you do that, you sit them to the side. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my chicken, and I'll be right back, guys. So as you can see, all my chicken cutlets are breaded very nicely. Took my time, make sure they were all coated really good. I got some olive oil over here in this cast iron skillet heating. I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon of butter. And then I'm gonna start frying them on each side. I'm gonna fry them on each side until it's golden brown. My water's boiling, my sauce is simmering. So while my chicken is frying, I'm gonna go ahead and drop my noodles as well. So just make sure the oil is hot. Alright, oil is hot. I'll fry them on each side until they're golden brown. They don't have to be done because we're gonna put them in the oven after this. Looks like I could fit about 3 pieces. So alright. So basically I'll fry them on each side until they're golden brown. Then we'll come back and show you what's next. Okay guys? So when they're golden brown on one side, just like that, you flip them to the next. Perfect golden brown. Again, we're not trying to make them done. We're just getting that color and that crust, okay? So that took about like 2 or 3 minutes. So we're gonna let it go on this second side. And then we're gonna continue with until all of our chicken is done, okay? All right, thank you. Take a break. Chicken is almost done frying, so I wanted to show you guys. I got a block of mozzarella cheese. I got 2 of these blocks like this. Usually I try to get a thicker block because I'm gonna cut this into slices, but you can see this one is very thin, so I'm gonna get 4 slices out of this. I already got 4 slices here, and this is what I'm gonna use to cover my 8 pieces of chicken, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna make it work, but you just wanna make sure you use block cheese and you do it in slices. This is gonna be 1 whole slice right here. So I'm gonna try to get 3 more slices out of this. Okay. You can stop. Yeah. Okay. So now that we have all of our chicken pieces, we have our cheese and our sauce. So the first thing I'm doing is just lightly coating them with grated Parmesan. Okay. Next, you're gonna top each piece of chicken with some sauce. And we're gonna save the rest of the sauce to top our pasta with. Everybody can put their own amount of sauce on their plate. I wish I had some more cheese, but I don't. So on top of the sauce, you put your slices of cheese. My slices are it is what it is, basically. So yeah, make sure each piece is coated with the cheese. Just fill them in. You see how I'm just piecing them together. Just make sure everything is coated. I mean, every chicken got cheese on it. And we gonna be good. Top them with parsley flakes. We're gonna put this in the oven uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is done, the cheese is melted. Okay? Oh, and the oven is on 350. Okay. Okay, guys, it's been 22 minutes, but this is what we looking like. Doesn't it look so good? Ooh, so good. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. This is what we looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and fix a plate. Food's looking delicious. I made my pasta earlier, so it's ready. So you get your pasta. And you can put yours on top or to the side. How you like yours, love? Meat on top, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tony, why you leaving like that?
Pause.
All right, so you get your pasta. You can put more sauce on the meat. I like mine on the side, but you can also put it right on top. So let's get this one. Oh. Doesn't that look good, y'all? And then, of course, some of the cheese came off, so put some of that cheese back on top of there. That's fine. That's fine. Anyway, it tastes good, y'all. I promise. I promise it do. And it's so pretty. Ready? So this is how I like mine, with my meat on the side. I'm one of the people that don't like all my food mixed together. So, yeah. Let me go in for the taste test. I want the cheesy part. So. Ooh, that looks so good. Mm, 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 mm. It's good. Oh. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Mm. It's so good, y'all. Easy. Do it like I told y'all. It's gonna be perfect. See, chicken is juicy, done, cheesy, saucy. Let me know what y'all think. Try this, okay? 2 thumbs up. Okay? How is it?
Great.
What's that, Boston?
It's not busting. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My baby said it's good. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Bro.
What happened?
They gon' come when I call 'em, call 'em. They gon' come when I call 'em. They gon' come when I call 'em, call 'em. Do it all the love and then never about $1.